Hey guys, welcome to FunNGun. I had someone ask me in the comments if you could actually shoot a Kel-Tec CP33 as a cheek pistol left-handed, and with the correct setup you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. Well, got a jam there. That was the last round. But as you can see, if you have the FunNGun Maker cheek rest kit on your gun and the Demonstrated Concepts brass deflector, which you can actually find a little bit more out about that, the way this gun's set up on my other video talking about how my Kel-Tec CP33 cheek pistol setup works. But you can actually, with these two parts, safely shoot these gun left-handed, as you can see there. And that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching.